Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this interesting comparison problem. We got these huge numbers on both sides. The numbers on the left hand sides are, the first number is 873,214 multiplied by the second number is 7,891,325, whereas the numbers on the right hand side, the first number is 7,891,324 multiplied by another number is 873,215. And now our task is to find out which side is larger, whether this left hand side versus this right hand side. And please bear in mind, we are not supposed to be using calculators of any kind. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started, and let's focus once again on these numbers on both sides. And here we can see this number is our 6-digit number, and likewise this number is 6-digit as well. And we can see this number is 1 larger than this number. If I label this whole number as x, then this number has got to be x plus 1. And now we are going to focus on these numbers. Both of these numbers are 7-digit numbers. And here, let's make an observation. This number is 1 larger than this number. If I label this number as y, then this number has got to be y plus 1. So therefore we are ended up with x times y plus 1 versus y times x plus 1. In other words, x times y plus 1 versus y times x plus 1. And now we are going to multiply by distribution, and likewise we are going to multiply by distribution as well. So therefore this is going to become x times y plus x versus x times y plus y. And now we can see on both sides x times y and x times y cancels out. So therefore we are ended up with this x versus y. And now our x value is 873,214. So therefore I'm going to replace x with this actual value, 873,214 versus our y value is 7,891,324. So therefore I'm going to replace that one with 7,891,324 on the right hand side. And now we can see that this right hand side number is indeed larger than this left hand side number. So therefore the right hand side number is going to be larger than the left hand side number. So therefore we conclude that this left hand side number is going to be less than the right hand side numbers. So thus, after all the calculations and manipulations, we conclude that the right hand side number is larger than the left hand side number. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.